Hello guys. I made a video recently about fixing layer lines, but after that I realized actually that it wasn't really a fix, but more like a correction, because when you are inside the slicer software and you get those weird different layers, that is actually intentional, because if you take something like this and I can split it so we can just see. Okay, so I just don't want it so high. Perform cut. Okay, just very simple. So that is the one. If you go in here and you use what's called adaptive layering, it means that it will, like if you have a curve, it will adapt the layer height to the curve so you don't get as much of a stair effect. If you set that to 0 and click adaptive, you can see that the layer height here, this indicates the colors and the height of the layer lines. See, all these different colors indicate the different height of layer lines. And you can see it also here if I zoom in now. See here, that's gray, it's at the bottom, and it will also show you equivalent to the top. So if you have these weird layer structures, it is usually caused by you using the adaptive layer function. And by going into here on the layer height, as I previously said in the let's see, revert that. See, now I changed those. What it do is it actually seems to override the adaptive setting, and it resets the whole model to have 0.1 layer height for everything. And when you then slice it, you can see that the layer lines are exactly the same. Problem is, it's no longer adaptive. So if you have something like here, like a curve, it wouldn't make those layer lines thinner to accommodate for that. So yeah, the previous video I made was kind of wrong. It does fix the problem if you see that you get it every time to change the value. Oh, sorry. But it is actually working as intended when it comes to printing stuff. If I revert this back, or even if I set this to 0.1, it will take a basis of 0.1. If I then go and into prepare and I do adaptive setting of that, you see the height of these lines changes as well, because then it will use adaptive settings but with 0.1 layer height. See? So if I change this now, click adaptive, you can see that it changes again. So yeah, my previous video was kind of wrong. Just want to let you know that.